pegged in a corner. A Racine, a train, a great big old freight train. You got this Cobra 2K in the corner. Good morning, my brother. Boy, you sounding some kind of wonderful. You got to share some of that audio. Hey, train, hope you're doing well. Your friend in Touchtown, right back.
Doing real well, no doubt about it, man. In my third quarter, real well. That's the cat make it show. Hey, Touch, I hear you doing real well on that cat make it in, man. Because you still got that hammer down, no doubt about it. Take care of it, Touch, and Touchtown. Don't let it too loud, man. He coming in tonight listening, man. Touch in Touchtown, freight train downtown, Racine. T-bird.
Before I do, train, I appreciate you taking time out, man. Hey, enjoy the weather, beat the heat, do what you can. You know, we got to do the right thing. So good to hear you on the band, doing what I can with what I got. Hey, freight train, you know there ain't no touch like a Midas touch. Put it on you later. I'm up.
Yeah, good copy. Ain't no touch like a Midas touch. That's the doggone show, man. Take care. Well, ease on out of here. Be safe on that end, no doubt about it. You made my morning. This cat makes so good a long time. Touch, hey, Midas touch and Touchtown, freight train, blah, blah, blah.
Real good copy. I'm going to turn it loose. If you need me, call me. I'll turn it loose. You're going to have to do the same. Train, I got to go. Freight train, Racine, bump it on you later. Your friend in Touchtown, where there is no touch like a Midas touch. A train, I say it.
Yeah, man. Come back. That dog got a rehab. Oh, well, that's so satisfied. That dog got a rehab, man. Thursday, there it is, man. Hey, Black Toe, T-bird, say there it is, right there on the top, making it in, man. I ain't got to be stunting, I ain't got to be lying. Got make it 1 in 10 in this mobile. Hey, Black Smoke, 1 in 10 on this mobile in the Great Lakes. Oh, I Black Smoke in New York, T-bird in the